Hello everyone, this is Mustafa Nasser once more and you are watching Arabic for Nouns. Welcome to lesson number 2 of this course, Arabic Essentials. Again, if you're still an absolute beginner, watch the first course on my channel, Arabic Alphabet and Pronunciation. Today, we will talk about the first part of speech in Arabic, nouns. And when talking about nouns, we must cover 3 important features: definiteness or indefiniteness, number, and gender. In today's lesson, I will explain all about the first feature, definiteness or indefiniteness. And in the next lesson, we will talk about the remaining 2 features. Subscribe my channel and activate the bell to watch videos on time. You can also join our Facebook group and download the PDF slides of this lesson from the links in the video description below. Noun is the largest part of speech in Arabic, as we said in the previous lesson, because it covers a wide range of words and vocabularies. I want to talk about the first feature we have today, definiteness or indefiniteness. In English, we have the indefinite articles a or an, and the definite article the. Once we have an indefinite noun, we just add a or an before it, like a book, an apple. In Arabic, the equivalent to indefinite articles is what we call tanween, which is a duplication of the case-ending sign of the noun. Let's see the translation of these 2 examples. A book, kitabun, an apple, tuffahatun. Here is the case-ending sign. It is dhamma by default. And because these 2 words are indefinite, we see 2 dhammas, not only 1. This is called tanween. And it is pronounced as a consonant na sound. Kitabun, tuffahatun. It might be double dhamma, double fatha, or double kasra. So once you see a word in Arabic that has tanween, mostly it's indefinite. On the other hand, whenever we want to define an indefinite word, we just add the definite article. In English, we use the book, the apple. The definite article in Arabic is the 2-letter prefix, al. Let's define these 2 examples, kitabun and tuffahatun. First, we add the definite article like this. And then we have to reduce the duplication sign, which is tanween, into only one single label, like that. Al-kitabu, at-tuffahatu. In fact, definiteness in Arabic is not simple like that. We have 6 cases in which a noun can be definite. Let's look at them. The first case we have talked about, definiteness using the definite article. And this is the obvious case. Almost all nouns that begin with al are definite, whether it's an original part of the word or not. Al-rajul, the man. Al-kalb, the dog. And al-adala, the justice. The second case is proper nouns, and we need to focus here as there will be some explanation. Proper noun in Arabic is called ismu al-alam. Alam means flag, and it means label here. Let's see the definition of this concept. Proper noun or ismu al-alam is a definite noun that is given to anything as its name, like names of persons, Ahmed, John, Fatima. Names of places like continents, Europa, Europe, Asia, Asia. Countries or cities, Faransa, France, Paris, Paris. Or anything else that has a name, like if you choose to name your dog Michael, this is also a proper noun, and it's definite by default. And here I want to mention a common mistake many beginners used to make. I witnessed this mistake before when I was asking a student of mine, "Where are you from?" من أين أنت? He responded, أنا من الباكستان. He added the definite article here to a proper noun, which is wrong, because this proper noun here is originally definite. It doesn't need the definite article. Once we say Pakistan, we understand that we are talking about the country, because we have only one Pakistan in this world. So, it's specific. However, some proper nouns contain the definite article originally, like China. In Arabic it is الصين. Here we can see the prefix al, but it is not serving here as a definite article. It's an original part of the word. India also is al-Hind, the same case. Brazil, al-Brazil. Argentina, al-Argentine. Even some city names like the capital of my country, Cairo, Al-Qahira, Al-Madinah in Saudi Arabia, Al-Madinah. Some human names have also the same pattern like Al-Zahra, Al-Hussein, Al-Walid, and many more. Here is a pro tip. Don't add the definite article al to any proper noun unless it's an original part of this noun. On the other hand, we might see a proper noun has the indefinite sign, tanween, like these two verses from Al-Quran. Muhammadur Rasulullah and وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا نُوحًا إِلَىٰ قَوْمِهِ. The nouns Muhammad and Nuh are proper nouns. They are names of persons which are originally definite. But we can see tanween here, which is a sign for indefinite nouns. Why is that? This is a special case that covers some proper nouns under some conditions. We will explain it later in some advanced course. So here is another pro tip. Proper nouns are always definite. Either they have the definite article like we saw in these examples, الصين, الزهراء, الحسين, or they have the indefinite article which is tanween like محمد, نوحا, لوطا, or they don't have either of the two articles, مصر, فاطمة, or Espana. So, once you see a proper noun, don't bother yourself by checking definiteness or indefiniteness, because proper nouns are definite in all cases. The third case of definiteness is pronouns. All pronouns in Arabic are definite by default, and that includes separated pronouns like أنا, أنت, هو, connected pronouns ذهبوا, this way is a subjective pronoun, or ساعدنا, this na also is an objective pronoun. Possessive pronouns are definite. كتابي, this ya is a possessive pronoun, means my, or حقيبته, this who is also a possessive pronoun, means his. The fourth case is demonstrative nouns, or what we call أسماء الإشارة. هذا and هذه mean this. هذان, هاتان, هؤلاء mean these. They are pronouns in English, but here in Arabic they are nouns, and they are also definite by default. Number 5 is the relative nouns. Again, they are nouns in Arabic, not pronouns like in English. الذي, التي, اللذان, اللتان, الذين. And here again we can see the definite article as an original part of the relative nouns. Finally, definiteness by addition. التعريف بالإضافة. This is happening when we add a definite noun to an indefinite one. And in most of the cases, it's for expressing possession. Like this word, باب, a door. It's indefinite because it has tanween and it is not one of the definite categories we listed above. We can make it definite by adding another definite noun, like باب الفصل, the class door or the door of the class. And we have to adjust the tanween to be a single label. So here we are no longer talking about any door, but we are talking about a specific one, the door of the class. These two nouns are definite. The first one is definite with addition, and the second one is definite with the definite article L. We can also add a connected pronoun to define a noun, like كتاب, a book. This noun is indefinite. I want to say my book, so I will add the one-letter possessive pronoun, يا. كتابي, my book. Now it becomes definite. So here are the 6 cases of definiteness in Arabic. All remaining types of nouns, adjectives, adverbs, ideas or abstracts are indefinite by default unless we add L to them. And I need to mention something here. Some indefinite nouns can be used as proper nouns for persons' names, like حسناء. This is an adjective means beautiful for feminine, and it is indefinite. But you might see a girl whose name is حسناء. In this case, this noun will be definite without needing the definite article L. Other examples like سعادة, happiness, سعيد, happy. Many people are called سعيد, رحيم, merciful, and many more. So any noun that can be used as proper noun, it will become definite. Now let's have a little exercise. We have a small paragraph here, and we are to classify each and every word as definite or indefinite. In case of definite, we want to specify which type of definiteness it is. Look at this table here. It contains the 6 types of definiteness and another space for indefinite. Let me first read the paragraph for you. هذا صديقي محمد. هو من إيطاليا التي تقع في أوروبا. هو طالب مجتهد في مدرسة المدينة. وهو يحب القراءة والكتابة. Let me do the first sentence and I will leave the rest for you. The first word, هذا. This is a demonstrative noun, which is definite by default. So, we will put it here. The second one, صديقي. This word, صديق, is indefinite, right? But here, there is a pronoun connected to it. So it's definite by addition. The third word, محمد. This is a proper noun as it's a person name. We will put it here. Next is هو. This is a separated pronoun. Its place is here with pronouns. من. This is not a noun, it's a preposition. The next one is Italia, Italy. Again, this is a proper noun because it's a name of a country. So we will put it here with proper nouns. And so on. I'm sure you can complete it alone. And if you get any trouble, ask me questions in the comments. I will leave the slides I used in this lesson in the video description. You can download it for free as a PDF file. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and share the video. See you in the next lesson.